Okay, so now we're going to talk about SF symbols. What are SF symbols? SF symbols is a set of over 2,400 customizable icons provided by Apple for use in apps on iOS, iPad OS, Mac OS, and Watch OS. The icons are designed to be easily recognizable and adaptable to different contexts and are available in a variety of weights and scales. The icons can be used in various types of views like text, button, and image. To find SF symbols, you can use the SF symbols app that are available for free on the Apple developer website. The app allows you to browse and preview all the icons as well as export them from various formats. You can download the SF Symbols app at the following URL right here. In summary, SF Symbols is a set of 2,400 customizable characters that can be used to develop apps on the Apple platform. They can be found in the SF Symbols app, which is downloaded for free right here. Okay, and this is what the SF Symbols app looks like. These are examples of the symbols you can use, right? Message symbol, and it even has a caption that explains what it is, right? Badge plus radio waves, ellipsis, message fill, just different things. Phone and waveform, fill, right? And other apps, right? You can go down the list of all these different types. So installation instructions, you're gonna install SF symbols in your app. You can do the following steps. Open up your Xcode project, go to the assets, X cassettes, XC assets folder, uh, drag and drop the SF Symbols app from your applications folder into your assets, XC assets folder. In the dialog that appears, make sure that you copy items if needed. The checkbox is checked and click finished. The SF Symbols app will now be added to your assets.xc assets folder, and you can use the icons by selecting the SF Symbols app in the asset catalog and choosing the icons you want to use. Once you've added the SF Symbols app to your project, you can use the icons in your views by reflecting or referencing the name icon name. So, and I'm sorry. And so this is our appearance, our I can't remember what it's called. SF symbols, right? Oh, sorry. Let me go back. Oh, geez, stop. Um, so now if you want to change the appearance of your apps, you usually just have like sometimes you have default black and white or whatever. You want to change, you go to multicolor, right? You're gonna select multicolor here, and it allows you to have multicolors. You can also select the other settings as well. And yeah. So here's some other directions. Select multicolor from rendering, drop down, then adjust colors accordingly, right? So let's go back here for a second. I'm going to minimize this. And this is what SF symbols look like right here. So you see how these all have this, and of course you can go and download it if you don't have it installed, and just follow the directions that I gave you a little while ago. But you want to change some of these colors, you want to make some of these different, you're going to go to multicolor, right? Multicolor here. You see rendering, right? Automatic. You're going to say multicolor, right? And as you can see multicolors there. This is the primary default background. You can change that to something else, like, right, custom. See, you can change that, but of course, you know, don't like that. Use default. This is the primary color um for multicolors. Let me see something. You see how I go down and some of these turn to a lighter color. right? So, but you can also just get rid of this, and now you don't have none of that. No gradients. You can change colors. Um, Pick any one of these colors. Multicoloring, you can also do palettes. And as you see, you have different, of course, you can change these colors. So play around with this and kind of get things the way you want. Me personally, I'm going to go back to monochrome and we'll do it like that. That's really it for SF symbols. And so next we're going to get into the basics of Swift UI, cover some concepts. So on to the next.